Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of investing and explore our beginner's guide to building wealth. Investing can be an effective way to grow your money and secure your financial future. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your investment knowledge, this video is for you. So let's get started with Investing 101. Understand the basics of investing. Number 1 on our list is understanding the basics of investing. Investing involves putting your money into assets or ventures with the expectation of generating a return or profit. It's important to familiarize yourself with key investment terms like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and diversification. A solid foundation of knowledge will guide you in making informed investment decisions. Set clear financial goals. Next, it's important to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it for retirement, a down payment on a house, or funding your child's education? Defining your goals will help you determine your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and the appropriate investment strategies to achieve them. Determine your risk tolerance. Moving on to number 3, you need to determine your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to your ability to handle market fluctuations and potential losses. Assess your comfort level with volatility and the impact of potential losses on your financial situation. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you choose investments that align with your comfort level. Start with a solid financial foundation. Number 4 on our list is starting with a solid financial foundation. Before diving into investing, it's important to have a stable financial base. This includes paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, and ensuring you have adequate insurance coverage. By having a strong foundation, you can invest with peace of mind. Create a diversified investment portfolio. Next, let's talk about creating a diversified investment portfolio. Diversification involves separating your investment across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. This helps reduce the risk of significant losses and increases the likelihood of capturing gains. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes to achieve diversification. Choose the right investment accounts. Moving on to number 6, it's important to choose the right investment accounts. Depending on your goals and circumstances, different investment accounts offer various tax advantages and restrictions. Common type of accounts include individual retirement accounts, IRAs, 401ks, and taxable brokerage accounts. Consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to determine the best accounts for your needs. Research and educate yourself. Number 7 on our list is to research and educate yourself. Take the time to research different investment options, study market trends, and understand the performance of different investment vehicles. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reliable financial news sources to expand your knowledge. The more you educate yourself, the better equipped you will be to make informed investment decisions. Develop a long-term mindset. Next, let's talk about developing a long-term mindset. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's crucial to focus on long-term growth and resist the temptation of short-term market fluctuations. By staying committed to your investment strategy and not reacting to every market movement, you give your investment the opportunity to grow over time. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Moving on to number 9, it's important to monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Regularly review your investments and make adjustments as needed. Over time, the performance of different asset classes may vary, causing your portfolio to drift from its original allocation. Rebalancing ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Seek professional advice when needed. Finally, seek professional advice when needed. Investing can be complex, and it's okay to seek guidance from a financial advisor or investment professional. They can provide personalized advice, help you navigate through the intricacies of investing and assist you in developing a comprehensive investment plan. And there you have it, our beginner's guide to building wealth through investing. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, knowledge, and discipline. Start small, stay focused on your goals, and continue learning along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.